As soon as you tip over that age of 19 into 20, you are no longer a boy, and you're a man. And as a man, you need to start making smarter, better, and wiser decisions. What you need to start doing is making tweaks to your life that will set you up for success. So today, I'm gonna talk to you like I was talking to myself. I'm gonna talk to you like good old little 19-year-old Jose. So listen here, buddy. Today, I'm gonna show you 5 upgrades you should have done as soon as you turn 20. Let's go. Number 1, I want you to downgrade your car. I know what you're thinking, Jose. You just said these are upgrades. You see, downgrading is an upgrade. Downgrading is the move. See, most guys think that as soon as they make a little bit of money, they go off and lease a BMW. They go off and get a Mercedes. That is the worst financial decision that you can do. You think you're gonna be impressing people, but your bank account's gonna be at 0. What you need to be doing as soon as you turn 20, buy yourself a cheap car. Something that you can pay off, that you don't have to be paying a monthly payment on that thing. And then all the money that you have left over, which could easily be anywhere from $500 to $800 a month that people pay off a BMW with, I want you to throw that in an ETF. I want you to invest that. I want you to save that and put it into real estate. 2, 3, 5 years from now, you're gonna thank me when your net worth is probably in the 6 figures and that other guy has a 5-year-old BMW that he's still paying off. Number 2, quality over quantity. And I'm talking about in women, in clothes, and in friends. That should just be your mentality from now on. Quality over quantity. It's not the numbers, it is what you have. While this concept does apply to all of your life, and I want you to apply to all your life, I want to zero in on clothing here. Because in this age group, this is when you really start buying into designer labels, thinking that this is your quality over quantity. And it's not. See, when I talk about quality over quantity, I'm actually talking about quality pieces that last you a longer time, but don't break the bank. Take, for example, Essentials. Yo, this new collection that just dropped today, March 20th at 10 a.m. Eastern, which, by the way, it is flying. Our pro members went crazy yesterday. But this new collection, we dropped the cashmere tracksuit. I want you to go right now and Google cashmere joggers or hoodie or whatever. You're looking to pay $800, $1,000, up to $3,000 for an entire tracksuit. Our cashmere tracksuit is nowhere near that price, which is why it's flying off the shelves. And it's literally one of the pieces that I'm most proud of this collection, because we were able to design something that's truly quality, something that will last a long time if you take care of it, and it doesn't break the bank. And that's what we sought out to do with Essentials. Create basics for guys, luxury basics that you can wear consistently over and over again, that you can mix and match in your wardrobe, that you get the biggest bang for your buck, but doesn't break the bank. That's why our bamboo t-shirt, it sells like hotcakes. It's probably sold out right now if you haven't gone to the site yet. This is why our hemp cotton long sleeve does so well as well. We also dropped a new oversized t-shirt that's a box tee that doesn't shrink. It's a tri-blend and it's stupid soft. Like, it's so luxurious. Same thing with our hoodie, a tri-blend fabric that we've been developing for months. It's super luxurious, and again, proof is in the pudding, bro. Check out any of our products. Look at our customer reviews. Essential sells out for one single reason. We deliver quality over and over again because I adopted this mentality. Quality over quantity. It's not about how much you have, it's about what you do have. Those core essential pieces, that's what develops your wardrobe. That's what makes you look good, and it doesn't even break the bank. Boys, if you guys have not checked out Essentials yet, I want you to click the link down below. Go to the store, hopefully not everything's sold out yet, and pick up some pieces so you can see what true quality is and why we sell the best basics in the world. Yo, I don't want you to miss this drop. This right now is our greatest, largest, and best drop we've ever done. And I'm not even overhyping this. Bro, the sales that we're doing right now, I don't want my own brothers to miss the boat on this. Boys, go right now, check it out, pick up one piece, pick up a piece for your girl, because we also have a girls collection. I'm telling you, boys, both of you, you're gonna thank me later for this one. Which takes us on to number 3. I want you to upgrade to a book collection. Now, I know I have nothing against audiobooks. Matter of fact, I love audiobooks. I use them all the time because it's a great way, an efficient way to get through books faster. However, a book collection, it's an upgrade every guy needs. Having a collection of books that you already tackled and you have read, it speaks volumes about who you are as a person. And if you ever bring a girl home, bro, forget about it. Reading, it's like the deadlift of memory exercises. It is the all-out exercise that every guy should be practicing. And as you become this avid reader, your conversations, they become more interesting. Your relationships, they become more rewarding. And you also start making smarter financial decisions because you're open to new creativity and new ideas through different life experiences. Which takes us to number 4. I want you to upgrade from an EDT to a parfum. Look, I'm gonna leave it there. If you know, you know. I'm just playing. I'm gonna explain this for you because this is what I do. See, EDT are eau de toilette. This is basically the concentration in your fragrances, where an eau de toilette is usually the cheapest and most affordable fragrance because the oil concentration is anywhere from like 5 to like 8%, I believe. So it's very low concentrated on oil, which is what smells good, and it has a high concentration of alcohol. Usually when you get started in fragrances, when you're buying affordable sub $20 fragrances, this is what you end up buying. Sometimes an EDP, but usually they're lower quality spray-on cologne. As soon as you become a man, I want you to upgrade into a parfum. Look, this is not a must, but it's gonna change your life. I want you to start saving up. Yes, it's gonna cost you a lot of money. Sometimes they can go for $200, $300, or even up to $400, $500 a bottle, but save up. Buy one bottle and see why it's worth it. I was just as hesitant the first time I bought one, and till this day, I still have that single bottle. See, the interesting thing with parfums is that since they're more concentrated, they can be anywhere from 18 to 25% concentrated oil and the rest alcohol. The scent is more unique. It's also more powerful, and more importantly, it lasts longer. So it requires less sprays to smell as good, if not better, making that fragrance last you way longer than the 5 bottles of EDT that you have to fly through just to smell somewhat good. See, when you get Axe, you have to spray yourself like 3 times a day. With this, you spray yourself once in the morning, and that scent carries on with you all day long, and it's so unique and luxurious. Yo, it's literally like wearing Rolex on your skin. That's what it is. Like, it just smells different. And finally, number 5, a grown man wallet. See, because if you pull up your wallet and it does any sort of sound like that, yo, I want you to grab that thing, throw it in the trash can. See, your wallet, it's a sign of you. And this is one of those investments that once you make one of them, you won't have to do it again for another 5, 10 years if you buy a good quality wallet. And I'm talking about anything sub $100, that good wallet is gonna carry with you forever. And what you're looking for is something thin that limits the amount of cards that you carry but also looks slick. So when you're on a date or you're in a business meeting and you pull out that wallet, it sends signals. It speaks volumes about you as a man. You're no longer a boy. Anything with Velcro has to go. It's time to adopt leather. Boys, that's it for me in this week's video, guys. Those are 5 upgrades that every teen needs to do as soon as they turn into a man. If you guys like this video and found it informative, don't forget to drop us a like down below. Also, boys, don't forget our Essentials launch just happened today. I don't want you to miss it. Click that link down below. That's it for me today. See you next.